How to make a video using pictures and videos. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to create a video using all the pictures and videos that you have, the best way is to use the CapCut. CapCut application is free to use with the free ads in between. So for this, you just have to log in into your account of CapCut and then go to the template section first. For this, you can tap on template and scroll down through the different templates that you want to use. Tap on the one that you like and tap on Use Template. After that, you can select the videos, pictures, as well as photos. For next way, tap on New Project and select the video that you want to use and the picture as well. This way, it will create a new video itself. You can make the necessary changes, add the effects, and you're good to go. Likewise, you can even add music, delete some of the pictures, add audios, and whatnot. And this is how you can create a video using your pictures and other videos. That's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.